your App Store or Google, whichever phone you have. So just type in InnoV, your camera, which is here. Now here you can set the angle of the camera to make sure that is facing the way you want it to go. So your front camera and your rear camera. Now the main part you'll be looking at the start is your settings. With the camera settings, you can change the resolution to whichever one you might wish. You can flip the camera if you've installed it upside down, so again the direction of the camera. So in here you can do all your recordings, your loop recordings. I have it set for 3 minutes. How much time the video will have before it starts in a new video. Time-lapse recording, your mic volume, if you don't want it to be picking up the sound of your engine or anything like that, you can turn that off. So that's how you will actually set up the camera, and after that then you're good to go. You never have to think about it or anything like that. It'll record automatically once you turn on the program we use is Dashcam Viewer. Open the videos. Now we already have the videos uploaded. You can have them. You can take it from the SIM card on the bike or download them onto your computer. Now we'll just pick a range of videos. This then will bring up the video as you see. Over here then you've got the map that you can zoom in on if you wish to see exactly where you are traveling. And if you want to at any point of the journey, you can click it and it'll bring you to that section of it. What else do you do? It shows the speed you've been traveling at, the distance you're going at, and up here it tells you the footage of where you are and stuff. Download that map afterwards if you want to show the journey you've traveled in. So as I said, for the purpose of reviewing your trip, this is ideal. That's it for now. Welcome along on this wet, windy Irish morning. We're going to be looking at the alternator in this box, why you should choose this alternator, and the benefits of using this one. And we will show you how simple it is to install this alternator.
A few minutes later. One eternity later.
2 easy ones out. Now we go to the problematic one. So that's your alternator reinstalled. So in today's video we're going to be looking at the switch block for the 2018 Goldwing. Let's go now, we'll go up to the workshop and I will show you the installation of this. What? Text. That's the fuse box done. Just put back together your side covers, your seat, and you're good to go. Today now we're going to be looking at the range of InnoV cameras we have available. We will be installing one of them onto a Goldwing. So that'll be the camera installed on the front of the bike. So next we'll remove the seat. Just remove the two armrests or the handles. So after all that's tidied up, reassemble your bike, put back on your seat, and join us for our next video where we'll show you the operating, how to operate the app and to use on the computer to get the various benefits out of this camera. We'll be installing the lighted engine ascent onto this 2024 Goldwing. Turn on your bike. Today we're going to be looking at the Gold Strike Spar trunk side lights onto a 2024 Goldwing GL 1800. Right, the first thing we want to do now is remove the side panel here. Now it's relatively easy. We've got 3 screws to remove. And it just comes off like that. So that's the running light and the indicators. So, all okay. We're going to move to the front of the bike now and install the windshield trim. Hold it there for 60 seconds. So you can see they have a little opening ceremony that they go through, and that's your running light. So your right indicator and your left indicator. Okay, installing saddlebag lights, the first thing you need to do is remove the seat. Now we already have the seat off this bike, so I guess no need to remove it. After that, we take off the center panel. And just put them on very easily because they will stick on very fast. That's that installed, and now we'll just test them, make sure they're working. Hello guys, thank you for joining us again today. We're going to move to the front of the bike now and install the windshield trim. This is a running light and a sequential indicator. So let's go and do the installation. Okay, first of all, now we'll just check out the contents of the box. Right, we have our 2 trims. Little bag of fixings. Right, we have the 2 trims, our bag of cable ties, and our instructions. So now we'll move to the bike and we'll start the installation. Close look of St. Anne's Church. The bells. Parking crane used to be the old butcher market.